Good day, lovely people. This is the Cash Course channel, a place where you can turn your tens to hundreds and your hundreds to thousands. I've come with good news. I've come with news that makes you smile, that's going to make you smile. We are going to engage in a triangular arbitrage with Binance and another platform. First of all, what is arbitrage? For beginners or for newbies, arbitrage is simply a method of getting a commodity price or an asset in a place of lower value and selling it in a place of higher value. So this is what we are going to be doing today. The name of the platform we are going to use is called Chiles, and Chiles is a platform that has its own crypto token, just the way Binance has its own BNB and other exchanges have their own token. Chiles has its own token and it is available on Binance. If we head over to the trade section, you will be able to see that Chiles is also on Binance, and it goes with the initial CHZ. So this is it. So we can be able to buy it from their website and then sell it here, or we can be able to buy it here and sell it over there. But this isn't why we're here. What I've noticed was that BTC is selling at 56,688 over here, and it's selling at a higher price in Chiles. Let's get to Chiles to see how much it's selling at over there. So we're here on the Chiles platform, and as you can see, they have an app on their own and they also have a website. So now we're gonna head to the trade section to see how much Chiles is selling against BTC. Okay, so remember, in Binance BTC is selling at 56,000, and over here, if you can see, let me indicate it for you. BTC is selling at 73,899. This is a massive capital. This is a massive profit we're going to get, about a $20,000 profit. So what we're going to do now is we are going to buy BTC from Binance and move over to Chiles to sell in order to claim our profit. But first and first, after getting the application or using the Chiles website, you want to make sure that you have completed your KYC, because the website or the application is so strict on KYC. Make sure you complete your KYC before engaging into any, I repeat, engaging into any transaction over here, because you are at risk of losing your money. You have to make sure that you are verified, you are fully verified before engaging in any activity over here. So let's move over to Binance to see how the magic is going to take place. So over here in Binance, assuming we are going to use a profit of, let's use $50. So if we're going to use a profit of $50 to get the BTC, we will have 0.00088 watts of BTC with a capital of 50 USDT. Let me copy it and move over to the Chiles website to see how much we are going to get in return. So we're here in the Chiles website, and now we are going to try to sell our BTC to see how much we are going to make. And as you can see, 0.00088 watt of BTC, which we bought at $50, has turned to $65.03, approximately 65 USDT. making us a whopping profit of $15. And when making the transfer, please don't use the BTC network, because it's going to attract a lot of fees for you, and it's going to fetch more from your capital. There's the BEP20 network, so you can use the BEP20 network, which attracts a low fee. So you can do this not once, not twice, but unlimited. Let's assume you're doing this 10 times a day. You are going to be making 150 USDT daily. Although arbitrage is not something that stays for so long or something that stays forever, but with people like us, with the everyday digging we used to do, before one arbitrage expires, we will get another arbitrage to give to you guys. So I hope you guys how will I put it, engulf on this arbitrage before it expires, and I hope you get the most out of it, and I'll advise you do your own research. Stay safe. Love you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video so others can benefit from it too. Ciao.